Okay, we are moving on to our second aspect to reflect on, which is your cornerstone piece. This was due for you over the weekend. I want to remind you that your cornerstone piece should be the most interesting piece, and you will build the rest of your work from this one piece that you have found. This is the work that you put in place first. Now, your cornerstone piece, once again, is credible, it has depth, and it provokes thought, and you can understand it. It should meet both your mind and your heart. When you did your cornerstone piece, you have completed the crap sheet. That crap sheet would include bibliographic information, which is in the MLA format. If you're not sure how to do that, most of the time the source provides that for you to copy and paste, or you can use EasyBib or Noodle Tools. EasyBib is attached to Google, and Noodle Tools is a service that the school subscribes to. You also might have completed an outline. This was up to you based on your style. For some people it helps and for some people it doesn't, but all of you are required to do a summary. A reminder that the summary should be 190 to 210 words, there's a typo right there, and it should have attributive tags and be informal, academic voice. After your summary, you have completed the CRAP worksheet. Remember that CRAP stands for Currency, Relevancy, Authority, and Perspective. Now, when you're talking about currency, keep in mind that good research often takes a decade to publish. Statistics are almost always 3 to 5 years behind the researchers. And so when you argue currency, that is a point you can bring up. And also, when you're considering authority, you have to go to Wikipedia and look at the authority of your source. If you have a journal, for instance, the Journal of Pediatric Medicine, find out the reputation of that journal and what type of controversies or praise it has received. You also will want to do a Google search on the author. You might have to put that in quotes and the author's name in quotes in order to find that information. Remember that you always want to have a cohesive, succinct, and flowing argument. These are not bullet points. Do not answer every question. Provide the best argument you can to defend your source. And sometimes that means you have to qualify your source, saying that yes, your research is a little old, but you think it's still true.